Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Helen from Crafty So and So, and if you don't know, that me and my wife Cora are expecting our first child, so I've got a little bit of something interesting for you today. I'm going to be talking about 8 simple projects that you can make for babies, whether it's your own, somebody else's, or just because you like making things to sell for babies. It's completely up to you, but this is something fun. So if you like these kind of videos, make sure you like my channel, subscribe, and I produce different videos like this all the time. I talk about a whole variety of projects, not just baby projects or pregnancy. I talk about everything from clothing to household items and everything else. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, so you can keep up to date with everything I'm bringing out. So the first one on this list is muslin squares. So these are really easy to do, really basic. Muslin's really cheap to buy and you can find it in so many nice patterns. There's a lot of places, especially fabric shops, that sell and cater to the Asian community because they have really nice decorative muslins, not like sequiny, but they do have that as well if you're looking for it. But they also do beautiful quality muslins. So if you're looking for these kind of fabrics, make sure you check out all these different stores and local shops. I know there's a couple in Bradford that's near me, so make sure you kind of like shop around because you can find some really nice fabrics. But muslin squares are great for beginners, or great if you are wanting to make something really nice but really quick, or you know that baby shower's in 2 days and you don't know, you've not been able to get anything, you don't know the gender of the baby. Muslin squares are great for this. You can set up a nice little bundle, tie them with a ribbon and present them with a card, and they will look beautiful. And handmade is always so nice to somebody who's receiving a gift. Number 2 is bandana bibs. You know, bibs in general are really good for making. Because they're fabric, they're soft, they're easy, whip them up together, put a little snap fastener on, or a little bit of elastic or something like that, and they are so popular and so worth having, especially as I can imagine when you're a new mum and you've got a little behind on the washing and you just need a bib or something. Having those kind of there ready is probably a really good lifesaver. Number 3 on the list is a baby blanket. So this doesn't have to be anything like intense. You don't have to knit it, crochet it. You don't have to do any patchwork and quilting. You literally can just take 2 nice soft pieces of fabric, sew them together, turn them right way around and top stitch around, and you can make something really nice, really useful, and it can be something that that baby grows up with and loves for pretty much the rest of their life if they get that attached to it. But it will be so handy, and it can be something so nice that you can give as a gift to that couple, that family that are expecting. Number 4 is sensory cubes with the like little tags or like noises or like, you know, like the squishiness and stuff. These are really fun because you can really go to town on them. So you can do like the ABC on them, you can do 1, 2, 3, you can do animals or any kind of like applique on them, or you can make them like noisy and put rattles in them, all sorts of things. So you can get as imaginative as you like with these, or you can go as basic as you like. But they're really fun to make and great for those early days where baby just wants something to play with and mum or dad can just pick it up and just throw it at the baby, and there you go, you're done. I also like this because it's a really unique gift as well. I think that being personalised is really fun, so you could do the name of the baby, or you know, it being something that's homemade is really nice. So this is a really nice gift to give as well. Number 5 is the little tag blanket comforters. These are really popular, and I've even made a couple of these for friends and family. My sister loves having these for her kids, so I've made a lot of these in my time. And these are really good if you've got like quite a hoard of ribbons like I do. No judgments. These are really good if you've got any like little scrap pieces of fabric, ribbons, or even, you know, like little pieces of applique that you can attach. Really love these because they're really simple. You can make like a 1 or 2 and put them in like a little hamper or put them in a little gift bag, and they're really nice and really fun, and they're just really like practical. I think the word is practical. They're very easy for somebody to enjoy and the baby can enjoy, and I think it's just something nice that you've got been able to give again. So number 6 is a little bit different. It's reusable breast pads. So you can buy these in shops as they are. You can buy them disposable, but you can also buy reusable, and you simply just wash them and you can use them again. Saves you having to buy pack after pack and throw them out. But yeah, so if you want to do something a little bit different, or you know that there's a mum out there that would really appreciate these are definitely a fun and easy make. You can use scrap pieces of fabric that you've got. Obviously make sure that the fabric is applicable, you know, obviously absorbent, and it's not gonna kind of itch. You don't want that. Whew, no. So obviously the fabric choice is going to be a little bit different, but you can definitely make these. They're a really nice project, and they're really nice because they're giving something to the expectant mother instead of the baby. Even if it is a practical gift, it might be something that's well worth receiving, and definitely something that's going to come in handy. Number 7 is fabric baby shoes. So I don't know, I don't have a baby yet, obviously. Don't know how quickly they like to wear shoes, or even if people bother with shoes in the early months or whatever. But these are fun, especially if you have somebody who's starting to crawl a little, or you think somebody might enjoy these. They are really fun, they look really fun to make, they look really cute, and you can make these as jazzy as you like. So they might make a nice little gift just to slip them into a little like gift basket or something like that. These are quite cute. And finally, number 8 is bunting for the bedroom or the nursery. So you can make this personalised to the baby, to the colour scheme. You could even make bunting for, you know, like the naming day, baby shower, christening, anything that's kind of like event that they might want some bunting for. You can kind of make it for that event, and then they could keep that in like a little keepsake box of a reminder of that day. Or you can just make it in like fun colours for the baby to like look at and enjoy. So it's totally up to you what you feel like the person would enjoy receiving, but bunting's really fun, really easy, and it's just kind of like a nice all-rounded gift, to be honest. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been helpful. Obviously there's plenty more projects I can think of, but these were just the quickest and easiest ones, especially if you are short on time or a beginner. These are perfect for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel because I do plenty more videos like this. I'll leave links in the description to where you can find tutorials on all these different projects, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.